What's gone is gone.
Was your brother?
Something like that.
Losing family is difficult.
I know. I know what you're going to say. You want to offer your condolences.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna cry, bro.
I want to say something comforting. But I don't need it.
Losing family is so hard. Nobody else there. I'm gonna cry like a fucking idiot.
I just need...
I'm an emotional bug, bro. Fucking hell. Don't make me cry. Warsaw, get the fuck out of my brain. My sister, bro.
Can you please go?
Thank you. She's trying to say thank you, girl. You go, girl.